In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable daily. By the end, you'll have a simple routine you can repeat every day to stay organized, keep projects moving, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Start by signing in and opening your home dashboard. This is your daily snapshot. You'll see recently updated bases and any notifications that need attention. Take a few seconds to scan for changes from teammates and start the bases you use most so they're always at the top. This quick check keeps you oriented before you dive in. Next, open your primary base, whether it's tasks, projects, or a CRM, and switch to a view that helps you see what's active. Grid view is great for fast, spreadsheet-style editing, while Kanban view groups records by status so you can visualize progress. Choose the one that supports your workflow for the day. Work through the records assigned to you. Update statuses, add concise notes about progress or blockers, and mark anything finished as complete. Keeping fields consistent, like status and priority, makes your base reliable for the whole team. Small updates now prevent confusion later. Open calendar view to scan due dates. Look for anything overdue or coming up soon. If timing needs to shift, reschedule or reprioritize so the schedule reflects reality. Taking 2 minutes here pays off in fewer surprises. If new tasks, clients, or projects have come up, capture them immediately. Create a new record and fill in the essentials: name, status, priority, dates, and notes. Attach relevant files so everything lives in one place and stays searchable. By the way, if you're new to Airtable, there's a link to the website and the official desktop and mobile apps at the top of the description so you can get set up quickly. Check in with your team right from the base. Review updates from collaborators, leave comments to clarify next steps, and attach materials to keep the conversation tied to the work. Mention teammates when you need a response. To stay focused, apply filters to show only items assigned to you or high priority work. Save personal views so you can switch perspectives quickly. Today's focus list, upcoming deadlines, or recently updated items. Take a moment to review automations that send notifications or reminders. Confirm they're running as expected, and adjust triggers or recipients if something's off. Trim noisy alerts so the important ones stand out. Before you wrap, plan for tomorrow. Add tasks or notes, set dates, and make sure everything's organized for a clean start. Then close your day by marking completed tasks and signing out. This daily habit keeps your Airtable base accurate and your work on track. That's how to use Airtable daily to stay organized and productive. Thanks for watching.